Okay, this is a video I'm going to call Pre-Flight, where we're just going to go over some miscellaneous details that a lot of you may know already, but just in case you don't, we'll pick them up here. Alright, so first thing, Hollis identified in the unboxing video this cable right here. This is a USB cable. It's the most common cable used for communications between digital devices. This is the standard end, this is the micro end. So for charging your drone, any available USB port will work. Okay, a USB port is a powered port. It sends out some low voltage that is used for a lot of devices this way. Now your other end, of course, you put into the drone like so, and you're going to see a LED light up. It's a, let's see if we can find it. It's a, right here, it's a blue flashing LED that tells you that we're now charging. And when the charge is completed, it will turn into a solid blue light. Alright? And that's how you'll get your maximum flight time of, somewhere around 13 minutes. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is how to bind your drone to your digital device. Again, as we showed you early on, the Ryze Tello is going to work with any iOS, that's any Apple device, or any Android device. So we're hoping that you do have access to at least one of these. If you don't, you have to let me know, and maybe we can come up with something to help you for this week. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate on this iPad mini. Let's see. Where you need to go is the settings right here, and you need to turn on your drone as well. So both devices need to be on. To turn on your drone, the button is opposite side of where the USB port is. You push and you hold for a few seconds, and you'll see that it lights up like so. Alright. Now we go into let's see, we go to Wi-Fi right here. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi connection, not a Bluetooth. It's actually Wi-Fi. And you can see right here it has picked up the Tello. So instead of my regular wireless network in this household, I'm going to choose this Tello right here. We get the check mark that it's successful, and as soon as that is successful, you'll see this light, and that's actually enough to now go into the app, okay, the Ryze Tello app, like so. And this is the thing I want to show you, okay? There's an automatic flight mode right here. This up arrow, if we choose that, and we slide it like so, you get an automatic flight. Okay, to finish up this pre-flight video, I just want to show you one more thing. These props on the Ryze Tello we're finding are very delicate. They will break pretty easily. That's actually typically that's intended so that they'll break before they do damage to the drone or damage to, your finger, something like that. These things here, here's your blade protectors. You want to make sure that these are on at all times. You want to keep your fingers away from the propellers. They will cut. People, if you check YouTube out, you'll find that people do get cut by drones, so you don't want to be one of those people, okay? So keep your hands free of there and only fly with those attached.